Winning and losing is part of the game. India lost the ODI World Cup final. PV Sindhu did not win a medal in last year's Olympics. Our hockey team has not won an Olympic gold in the past 45 years, and it's okay, because I repeat that winning and losing is part of the game. But you losing to Hong Kong is not okay if you don't have the answer to these three questions. And as a fan, if you're not happy with the result of the Indian football team, then spam "work harder Blue Tigers" in the comments. Anyways, I've heard that if you like and subscribe at the same time, then this video reaches everyone's feed. So without wasting any time, let's get to question number 1. Where was Sunil Chhetri? Sunil Chhetri came out of retirement on March 6, 2025 just to help the Indian team qualify for the AFC Asia Cup. Our head coach Morello Marquez personally requested Sunil Chhetri to come back. But why? Because the last time we qualified for the Asia Cup, we lost all our matches. So this time the goal was clear to qualify and put up a strong fight. But despite all that, Sunil Chhetri wasn't even in the starting 11 in the qualifier against Hong Kong. Imagine calling back a legend from retirement and keeping him on the bench. He was brought on only on the 56th minute. So if you did not want him to play, then why did you call him out of retirement just to play 35 minutes of a game? And the way Sunil Chhetri performed was much better compared to his teammates. And I believe that if he was in the starting 11, then the result would be very different. Anyways, I want you guys to give me your opinions in the comments. Now question number 2. Where will the $50,000 go? So here is something that not many people know. The AIFF promised the Indian football team $50,000 if they beat Hong Kong. Yes, $50,000 just to win a football match. First of all, that alone shows how low the bar has dropped for the Indian football team. We are literally using money to motivate players to win for their national team. Not passion, not pride, and not even the dream of representing their country. But the sad part is that it gets worse. Even after that fat cash prize, we still lost. Conceded a penalty in the 95th minute and Hong Kong managed to win the game 1-0. So now that the players are not getting that money, where is that money going? Is it going back to grassroots football? Is it being used for better training, equipment and development? We don't know, and we might never know, but honestly, Indian football fans deserve to know. So let me ask you, what do you think should happen with that money? Tell me in the comments and let's talk. And question number 3. Will we qualify for the Asia Cup with such performances? After the match, in the post-match interview, Sandesh Jhingan said that if God wants us to qualify, we will qualify. But that is not an answer. How did we lose to Hong Kong 1-0 when we beat them 4-0 in 2023? How did we draw against Bangladesh even though they rank 184 and we rank 127? Some people are saying our finishing is bad. Some people are blaming our coach. Some people are saying Hong Kong played better than India, but in the end it does not matter, because either we qualify for the Asia Cup or we don't qualify for the Asia Cup. And our next match is against Singapore, who ranks 153. And even by mistake, if we lose against Singapore, then our chances to qualify for the Asia Cup become very, very thin. So qualifying for the World Cup is still a very far-fetched dream. If you are still watching, then comment your prediction between India and Singapore's qualifying match. Like the video if you liked the video, and don't forget to subscribe, since I am building India's biggest sports community. I am Vivan Manish Tiwari and you are watching Neat Sports.